Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about the countdown timer feature on the Casio G-Shock GW-9500 Mudman watch. Pretty similar to other Casio watches. It's got its own independent mode. It's going to be, you're going to get to it by using the mode button. It's the bottom left button on the watch. Right now I'm in my current timekeeping mode. If you press the mode button each time, it'll take you to a different mode. The fourth press should get you to your timer. So number 1 is sunrise and sunset. Number 2 is your altitude recordings. Number 3 is your stopwatch. And then the fourth press should be your countdown timer mode. You can see a few different values on here. At the top is going to be your hour indicator. So if you have your countdown timer set for over an hour, you would see that counter up top. The middle is going to be your minutes and second value. And then the bottom will always be your current time. So for me, it's 4:38 p.m. You will see the time format on the timer will follow whatever time format your watch is in. In my case, it's 12-hour format. That's why we see the PM. And then the very bottom is going to be your battery level indicator. So this H that's showing for me is letting you know I've got a high battery. While I'm in countdown timer, I can press the altimeter button. It's the bottom right button. That will start the countdown timer. You don't have to stay in the countdown timer mode if you want to. You can use the mode button to go anywhere else. If you wanted to pause the timer, you would again use the altimeter button. It's now stopped or paused. If I wanted to resume it, altimeter button. And then while it is stopped, if I wanted to reset it, I would use the compass button, which is the top right button. It's going to reset it to whatever your default starting value is for your countdown timer. In my case, that's 0 hours and 10 minutes. If you wanted to change that while you're in your timer mode, we're going to press and hold the adjust button. Hold it for a couple seconds. It will take you to your settings for the countdown timer. And the very first option you have to change is your hours. If I press the compass button, it goes down. So the maximum number of hours I can set is 23 hours. When I'm ready to go on to my minute value, I can press the mode button. It will take me to my minutes again. I can use the compass or altimeter button to adjust the minutes. Press the mode button again, it's just going to toggle you back to your hours. Once you're done with your time, so in my case right now I've got a 23-hour and 59-minute timer set, I can simply press the adjust button and now that's going to be my default timer value. So again, I can start it and pause it. If I reset it, it resets it now instead of to 10 minutes to 23 hours and 59 minutes. Should also mention that while your timer is going, as I said before, you can jump around. So I can jump to any mode I want to, my alarm mode, my world time mode. Can even go to the compass, barometer, altimeter. I can always go back to my countdown timer though, and it will be running in the background. Pretty simple stuff. Just a quick look at the countdown timer mode on the GW-9500 watch. I hope the video helped.